Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be unboxing the Mastertech 12 cup coffee maker. I was in search of a coffee maker to be used for brewing grounded coffee beans. So of course, I called our family rep, Miss Dacia, at Courtson and Speed, and she was more than helpful with assisting me. They had a few individual options, coffee maker only, and one in a combination with a coffee maker, toaster, and an electric kettle. The cost was $3,449.14, tax included, after the 25% discount they had going on some items on that day, February 3, 2024. I narrowed down the decision to the Mastertech coffee maker as it was one of the two types which came with a reusable filter and seemed very simple to use. I needed to just add the water to the back, add the grounded coffee beans to the filter, close the lid, flip the switch, and wait approximately 10 minutes for a full pot of brewed coffee. For smaller portions, it would take less time. Watch the entire video to see all that was included in the package and to see the coffee maker in use. The instructions for operations are also included. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.